On en a un ici pour vous présenter ici. Et elle s'appelle Hercule. Her name is Hercules. Let's welcome her. On peut l'accueillir. You will have noticed that Hercules has a nice white head and tail. This is actually a sign of her maturity, and it tells us that she's an adult. Because like all bald eagles, they will lose their brown head and tail feathers and change them to white between the age of 3 and 5. This can lead to confusion because the other eagle that we find in Quebec, the golden eagle, is all brown and entirely. Le bigarre à tête blanche, on peut le trouver près de lacs et de rivières. On y va. Oh, wow! Ah, mais c'est vraiment intéressant. Et en écoutant au bord des hauts soldats, on pensait qu'on allait faire peur à d'autres mauvais esprits, qu'on allait éviter la famine, les maladies.
Oh my
God!
God!
De choses à demander pour un petit oiseau.
Beautiful.
We're so funny. Ça attirait les chouettes et cas déclassés. Et la soudaine apparition de cet oiseau avec son air fantomatique et son cri étude, sinon sont aux États-Unis et en Europe. These species of barn owl is mostly found in the south of the province, otherwise more common in the United States and in Europe. But it's actually probably one of them. Mais je pense pas que c'est une bonne idée. Parce que cet oiseau est un chasseur. So blending in with his environment allows him to hide as much from predators as from prey. Savez-vous quel oiseau vous voyez? Do you know which bird you're looking at? Qu'il avait plus de chance de guérison pour cette personne et qu'elle allait mourir dans 3 jours ou quelque chose. Heureusement, c'est pas le son qu'il fait en ce moment. So what you're hearing him doing, like I said, are his contact calls. He's very chatty and it's his way to talk to us. But owls have another sound, the typical hooting sound that we associate with owls. And it was once believed that when they hooted outside of a door of somebody who was sick, that this person had normal chance of healing and that they would die in the next 3 or 4 days. Luckily, that's not the sound you're hearing.
It's like dancing, just barely. It looks like.
Stay stable while their body is moving, and that way they can follow their prey while they're flying.
Dans un arbre, je me suis vu là, à peu près à cette distance-là. La première fois, ouais, c'était intimidant parce qu'il te regarde de rester.
What's it feel like, Kai?
I don't know, very light.
Very light?
You can't feel much.
And admire him.
Next time I'm going to hold the
Good.
and then the time after that.
Oh, what's that other noise he makes for?
It's a little bit of a curious kind of sound. What are you doing, buddy?
I think he
He's
was
trying to get his
tangling
foot
on it a little.
Yeah, he's trying to get his foot.
How is it cold?
Slow makes
So they're transferring of gloves.
Snakes thing. How a snake sleeps, it has that on its eye, so it doesn't actually fully close its eye unless it's like in a deep sleep.
Yeah. What are you doing? See, you know, he knows he has the telemetry on still, and he always tries to eat it. You don't want him too close to your face. You don't want him to try eating face.
Oh, look at him look at you though, Cole.